What's up? Today is August the 9th, and it is 8:21. Market just opened, and I'm here for the bond breakdown. I'm Jada Trader. Check it out. So I think market just opened up. Let's see if I can find the open real quick so I can mark that. Where's my... Okay, here we are. I'm like, where did my charts go? Okay, let's see. So open is 161.21. Price is now 23.22. 161s have been where we've been hanging out most of the day, and that's cool. Overnight low of 161.18. Let's go to a 5-minute chart real fast so we can check this out. Get a nice zoomed in look at things. We have an overnight high of 162.11 there. We have an overnight low down here that was put in at 4:30. We have that at 161.18, flirting with the lows. We have a gap below, so maybe that's what the market is trying to get at right now. We're kind of oversold, so we'll see what happens to the downside. Our high got put in at the top of the day, so that happened at about 18:35 is 7:35. So 7:35, we put in 162.11. So since then, the market's been finding its way slowly back down. The rubber band has been kind of unstretching itself here. I'm always looking for sellers to step back in, continue to show strength. Since maybe Wednesday or so, they kind of decided that they wanted to be alive again. So, give the sellers some for finally stepping back into the market. Let's see if we have an hour chart that we can look at now. Good, here's an hour chart. Our highs and lows. If you look at what we're doing inside this hour chart, I'm waiting for a closure below 161.22. If I can get an hour that'll close below that, then we'll get a confirmation for a downside move on this mother bar, inside bar. Our mother bar is the 1900 bar, inside bar is the 20 bar. So, I'm looking for a closure either below 161.22 or above 162.11 for confirmation. And the way that this bar formed, it's a lot of wick up there. So there was a lot of sellers, pushing back down against those buyers there. I also like the 7 a.m. bar. It's a cross, and for me, that's an indication of maybe like a change of priority, is a good way to put it. And, since then, there was a green, then a cross, and then 2 reds. So it could be a change of priority. Maybe this hour we can see things push down into the 161.12 area. And then hopefully, we can kind of get down below and settle some of that gap business. Any way you look at it, I think that sellers are trying to maintain and keep control after yesterday's performance that they put on. I think they put on a great performance throughout the day. Kind of gave some of it back around 1400, 1500. Of course, they had to relent, but I think they put on a great performance, and hopefully the sellers can do it again today. My predictions is that we end up somewhere around 161.30 before anything else happens. And of course, we'll see. Do we have any price jump stuff? I think we do have some price jump stuff between 161.28 and 29. So have to look out for that. Hey, but guys, any way that you look at it, we don't know what the market is going to do, but we do know what we're going to do if we have a plan. So make sure that you plan your trades, that you trade your plan. Keep the stops extremely tight. You know what I'm saying? Keep things very tight. Be careful out here. Don't be stupid. Don't let the market fool you. And of course, if you have any questions, make sure you hit me up at Jada Trader on Instagram. Okay? You guys have a great trading day. Trade safe and have a fantastic weekend. See you.